Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan here and welcome to the product ProfitzBuddy. So the first question is it really money wheel for YouTube? Like this tool is totally dependent on YouTube and you can automate your YouTube section totally from this tool from one dashboard. Okay, so I will clear you the question and everything. Would this tool be fitting for you and all over stuffs, okay, in this video. So let me show you from the dashboard what can be done from this tool. So the first thing is you need to integrate your social accounts. Okay, let me just import one of my channels. Okay, so I am just doing the stuff. Okay, so let me click on back to safety. So after just taking the risk, like clicking on, like just escaping or avoiding the back to safety, it is asking me the allowance of edit and permanently delete YouTube videos and all over stuffs like the ratings and comment. Okay, I am allowing it. The next thing is the monetary stuffs. Okay, I am allowing it. And the next thing is YouTube analytics report, allowed. And the next thing is manage YouTube account. Okay, allowed. So after that you need to click on allow. So I have allowed all over stuffs to this tool, and this is showing me an error. Okay, I don't know why it is showing me an error. So let me just open it up once again. Okay, so I have opened it up once again, and the thing is you can check out now that my account has been integrated inside it. So apart from the error message, everything was good. Like I was just thinking about if it deletes any video, then you have nothing to do. So apart from that, inside the channel manager, the most of the features are given inside channel manager. The like and dislike feature, and the comment campaign, automate comment campaign, and video manager, playlist manager, upload media manager, and also the subscription campaign. Okay, inside template manager you will be given the auto reply template. Like you can previously create any template depending on the generic reply. Like if someone is interested, that was a good video, if someone writes this kind of stuff, you can just reply them thank you or something more if you wanna do that. Okay, so you can create any template just depending on the reply, and just assuming what should be replied, you can create your auto template. Inside template manager, two types of template can be created: auto comment template and auto reply template. Inside search engine, you can just normally search for videos, channels, and playlist. Inside keyword finder, you can find any keyword with the video ID, or without video ID you can also search any YouTube tag like the keyword. Basically you can write any keyword also inside this section, and you can just run the search. And the auto reply and rank tracking, auto reply was like same like template manager, and the rank tracking is also given. I don't know what is rank tracking. Basically I think the rank tracking is the normal rank, what is your rank, that will be shown up here. And inside link wheel, your link wheel, I don't know what is link wheel. Okay, so that was the stuff inside it, like that were the stuffs inside it and all over stuffs. Okay, so apart from that, let me now clear you that all of the stuffs you have watched inside it, like auto reply and auto like, or this kind of stuffs, after asking this kind of huge permissions like editing, deleting, and all over stuffs, this tool is giving you these features. So these features are very simple. I think I have what I think about this tool from my heart, and what is my real opinion is, like, this tool is not worthy for $17. Like that can be done pretty simply by own, and that is the thing which has been focused inside this tool is totally very simple and very basic. By using them you can't earn money, that kind of money what this tool claims, like that kind of money. Let me show you some screenshots here. So that kind of money, $2,000 per month, you can't earn that kind of money if you don't have a already good channel and already a good base. Rather, I want to tell you about another tool, that is YT Velocity. And YT Velocity was launched 2 months ago, and this tool is amazing. And this tool costs only $12.95, and this is a proven tool and successful tool. So many people has brought it and just gave a good feedback. And this is totally dependent for your ranking, YouTube ranking as well as Google ranking. You can check out this tool. That is my opinion. This is not worthy for $17. I don't want to tell about it more and more, like these are very simple and basic features, I think. So this can't give you that kind of money. These are totally provoking stuffs that has been that is placed inside any sales page usually, and this is totally legal and totally justified. I can think of it like everyone in this world just want money, and that is why they want to just play with people's psychology, and that is totally fair, I think. Okay, so I don't think, from my opinion, and after using it, that it is worthy for $17, and that is why I am telling you this tool. You can click on the description link if you want to get the tool. Like this ProfitzBuddy, you can also click the top link, the top description link, and the second link is the YT Velocity link given in the description. You can also check out that if you want to get that. And that tool costs $4 lesser than the ProfitzBuddy. Okay, so now the bonuses. So the bonuses you are watching here is totally related with video purpose, with video stuffs. Okay, the Vidmonial 2.0, the sales video presentation templates, and VidViral video script template, Video Alchemy, Video Sales Factory, VidMobile for viral video and mobile traffic, obviously. And there are some bonuses that comes by default from vendor, like for both of the products, YT Velocity, and for both of the products like ProfitzBuddy. For each of the products you will be given the bonuses and from the vendor, and that comes by default. You can purchase that from anywhere. And I forgot to paste here one of my bonuses that was named. Let me just search here. Okay, like the base bonus I have put recently, and I just forgot to insert the image. Like this is the image. This all 8 bonuses inside number 8. After these 7 bonuses inside number 8, you will be given the bonus box inside front-end product that is consists with cartoon pack, with t-shirt image pack, design pack, and CV template, 100 CV templates, and Instagram ads and landing pages designs. Okay, so that are the stuffs and bonuses. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given 350 plus stuff, the mega bonus box that consists with more software and images and music tracks and everything you can think of. The best possible bonus I am giving you, and I am working on this field so many days, and I can't think that any other affiliates is offering you this kind of bonuses. So for this product I am signing out now. I am thanking you that you have given your time, and have a good day. I think I have convinced you most of the stuffs. Okay, so you can leave your comment for any query. I am signing out, and thank you. Bye bye.